it's another beautiful day, so out for a bit of a ride. Going to check out a couple of scenic spots that I haven't looked at for a while, and check out some back roads. But first target is Tomato Peak, so let's see how busy that is. No, you can't park there. What a thing to do a 3-point turn on. Go at the top, fairly busy. Oh, that's not a bad view. See why it gets quite busy up here. That's a pretty good view of Hawke's Bay. Definitely good spot to bring your friends if you're in the area, want to show them what the place is like. Yep, the roads are pretty narrow. It's good being on a motorbike. Don't need to worry about this sort of stuff too much. And let's do a sneaky overtake. Used to be the car park for Marototara Falls until I think it was the cyclone washed it away. But apparently there's somewhere new up here. Yeah, there we go, there's the new car park. So I'll check out what the falls are like now. Pretty busy as well. Well, busy by my standards. There we go. This is a lot busier than last time I was here. A lot noisier. locked gate, no access, guard chickens. Oh, well, let's see what else I can find. No unauthorised access. And you've got to report to a blank. It'd be nice if they gave a phone number. Oh well, let's find somewhere else to go. Obviously doesn't get used very often. Bit of grass growing on it. It's very nice. Let's end the video here. The Google Maps seemed to reroute me on a lot of sealed roads. I was trying to do some gravel roads, but after changing plans when I hit a private road, it yeah, definitely prefers to put people on sealed roads. But still a nice day for a ride and some nice scenery. So we'll see what I do on the way home. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.